7.0. That was the Richter scale of the shaking we were dealing with just a few weeks ago. If you've been following the Nuclear Option series, you know we just didn't throw a steering stabilizer at the problem. We went for the throat. Today, the Death Wobble's in the coffin, and I've got the nails to prove it. It wasn't just about the credit card. It's about precision, a 15-mile bike ride, and a few lessons that every Jeep owner needs to hear. Alignment day started at 0730. I dropped the rig off with Cody at B&G Total Alignment. I handed him a cheat sheet, a photo of every part I'd installed, the Dynatrac ball joints, the SteerSmarts brace, and the full MetalCloak suite. I even handed him the specific frame bolt MetalCloak provided for the passenger side upper control arm. Cody warned me, this is going to take a long time and cost a lot more than a standard alignment. So I did the only logical thing a Jeep owner does when their rig is in the shop. I grabbed my bicycle. I rode 15 miles home, through the pecan orchards, past an old adobe fort, and up the Lorna path to Picacho Hills. I wasn't even home long enough to catch my breath when the phone rang. It was Cody. He said, "Muddy, you're done. You did such a good job matching the lengths on the install that the tech had an easy day." 3 major lessons learned. Lesson number 1, precision matters. As a retired sheet metal worker, I spent 40 years measuring twice and cutting once. By matching the new part lengths to the OEM bars on the bench, I got the geometry so close that the Nuclear Option was actually a breeze for the pros. Lesson number 2, the caster secret. I have the Mopar lift kit, and that includes longer control arms, but you need adjustable uppers to get the geometry right. The factory wants you at 4.8 degrees. When you lift the Jeep, that angle flattens out and makes the steering flighty. We aimed for 6 degrees, but we landed at 5.4 degrees. That's the sweet spot. It gives you that return to center force that acts as a mechanical deterrent against the wobble. Lesson number 3, preload the linkage. We set the toe in to 1/8 inch using my DIY alignment tool. This keeps the tires pointing slightly toward each other, loading the SteerSmarts and the MetalCloak hardware so they can't shiver. So which part actually killed the Death Wobble? Was it the Dynatrac Pro Steer ball joints that killed it? Maybe. The MetalCloak Dynatrac bars? Probably. The SteerSmarts sector shaft brace? It definitely helped. But the real victory was the combination. We replaced the springy hollow factory bars with solid steel and got rid of those plastic sealed OEM ball joints. And don't forget the simple stuff. Keep those Mickey Thompsons at 34 to 36 PSI. And make sure that steering wheel is at dead center. Even being 2 degrees off can make your stability control system grumpy. This series was a marathon. We had scope creep, we had a U-joint fiasco, and we even chased a ticking hub bearing. But standing here today, this rig drives better than the day I drove it off the showroom floor. We are sitting at 4,944 subscribers. We are so close to hitting that 5,000 mark. If this Nuclear Option series helped you save your Jeep and your sanity, hit that subscribe button. The Death Wobble is dead. Long live the adventure. I'm Muddy Ruttzz. Keep the rubber side down, and don't forget, the best is yet to come.